Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to solve the following simultaneous equation, and they designated a method, substitution method. Alright, so step 1, let us write down the equation and label the equation as, for this will be equation 1, and this will be my equation 2. Alright, then from these two equations, we need to select one of them and make one of the variables, meaning x or y, the subject. That means x equals to something or y equals to something. And in this case, I'm going to, from 1. Why do you think Mr. Tan choose equation 1? Yes, because we could easily get this. I'm going to make x the subject now. X equals to 7 minus 3y. This will be my equation 3. In case you're wondering why is it minus 3y, I'm actually minusing 3y on both sides of this equation so that this will become 0. Okay? So now, back to this question, I'm then going to substitute equation 3 into 2. Because this equation 3 comes from 1, we are not going to substitute back into 1. And how do we substitute then? 3x. And now I know this x is equal to 7 minus 3y. That means I am not going to write x anymore. Instead, I'm going to write 7 minus 3y. Okay, continue to finish the equation 2, and after which solve this linear equation. So I will have 3 multiplying by 7. That will give me 21. 3 multiplied by negative 3y. Negative 9y. I still have my negative y equals to 6. Continue. Negative 9y and negative y, they make negative 10y. And I will have my 6 plus or minus 21. Yes, minus 21. Very good. In case you're wondering why is it minus 21, because I'm minusing 21 on both sides so that this one will become 0. Okay? That's why. And with that, let's continue to solve for this, okay? I will have negative 10y. This will be equals to negative 15. And after which, we are going to divide by, yes, negative 10. So y will be equals to 1.5. Now, from here, then we just need to substitute back into the equation 3, right? So from here, we are going to substitute y equals to 1.5 into equation 3. Why? Because from equation 3, x equals to 7 minus 3y. And what is my y? y is 1.5. Okay, so therefore I do not need to write y anymore. I'm substituting y with 1.5. And so I will get my final answer. X equals to 7 minus 3 times 1.5. That will give me 2.5. Now for the last step, it will be good for us to do a quick check by substituting the answers back into equation 1 and 2. X plus 3y, so x plus 3 times y, y is 1.5. And does this give me back my 7? Yes, it does. It satisfies equation 1. Equation 2, 3x minus y minus 1.5. Does this give me back 6? Yes, it does. It satisfies equation 2. This means that our answers are correct. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.